Hello, and welcome to our tutorial showing how to use Pigeon to send a text message or email from an ABB robot. In this example, our robot is set up to deburr a metal fan. The robot will run its sequence, and once it has finished deburring the part, it will send an email through our Pigeon software indicating completion of the process so that a user can replace the fan. Let's examine the code that is used for this program. The first few lines are the paths that the robot takes to deburr each of the fan blades. Then we call the send Pigeon message proc. You can find the code for the proc in the link in the description. The function opens a networking socket, sends the message, and closes the socket with some error handling. In order to connect with the Pigeon software within the send Pigeon message proc, you will need to define the IP address of the Pigeon computer. In our case, it's 192.168.1.51, and the port number that Pigeon is running on. This is defined in the Pigeon software. In our case, it's 51015. When calling the send Pigeon message proc, input the string you want to send. To communicate with Pigeon, we enter the email address or the phone number, followed by the less than greater than delineator, and then finish with the message we want to send. In our example, we are sending the message ABB Robot finished deburring, load new part to jack@pigeon.com. It is also possible to notify multiple email addresses or phone numbers by adding commas between the designators. For example, if we wanted to send this message to both jack@pigeon.com and text his phone number, we would type jack@pigeon.com, comma, and then type in the phone number, including the country area code, which is, in our case, 1, and then put the message at the end. But for now, we'll just send an email. You can call this function at various points in your program, depending on different scenarios. If the robot is in an error condition, or if at the end of the day, you want to send a final production count. You can adjust who receives the email in each specific instance so that the information gets to the correct person. Something I want to note really quickly about ABB limitations. ABB is only able to store strings which are up to 80 characters, which means that if you need to send a longer string, you need to call the send Pigeon message script again, and you need to again include the email address in that, and you'll receive 2 emails with the different messages. Now we'll show what happens when our script is triggered. You can see the robot moving through its deburring process. Once that is complete, it sends the message, and if I check my email now, you can see that I have just received a message from Pigeon stating, ABB Robot completed deburring, load new part. Thank you for watching our video today. If you are interested in setting up a demo to see how we can get Pigeon working for your ABB Robot, please reach out at the link in the description.